We are coming live, guys, from Eldoret town. It is soon becoming a city, by the way. It's supposed to be officially a city, I think is it by December or something? Yeah. So this is the view. It is amazing, and there's a lot of development that have taken place so far in Eldoret, guys. Wow, check that. Yeah, so if you are joining for the very first time, please consider subscribing. Hit on the subscribe button so you can join the family, and we are going to be bringing to you amazing contents here, updates, okay, from different parts of Africa. Okay, so this is Eldoret. For those who have taken much time before you visited this place, this is what it looks like, and it is amazing. I'm so much impressed with what is going on in Eldoret. Actually, I think it deserves to be a city. Yeah, but just watch the video to the end so you can see all the coverage. I've gone to different places, you know. And I've tried to capture the CBD so well with all the dimension. I've gone to different side of this place, and guys, you are going to see everything perfectly well here in the video, okay? Yeah, but do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. Also, share it widely with those who you think may be interested in this kind of content. Yeah, so this is the town. This is what it looks like. This is what Eldoret looks like, guys. I know there's things that you can see on the video, but there are some that I must just mention for you to know. You can see the buildings, these tall buildings. You can see the road, you know. But I want you to know that in Eldoret there is no street light. Not even one. This is one of the places that I've not seen one street light. Not even one, guys. Watch the video. If you see one, drop a comment for me. Yeah, but I've tried to look for one. I haven't seen it. Okay. Another thing, Eldoret is very cold. Extremely cold. Like, guys, this place is cold. I don't know if that is how it is. That is how it has been. Drop a comment. Let me know if you've ever visited Eldoret before. Let me know if it is this cold or just or I'm the one who came when it is a cold season. Okay, drop a comment. Let me know as well. Yeah, so I've tried to go deeper into the streets, and you are going to see how busy the place is. You know, this is just on a weekday, guys. So this is how it looks like in the morning at around 11 a.m. Yeah, this is what it is. This is how the place looks like. So guys, you can see that people are doing different activities here and there. So I just want to give you time to watch the video to the end, enjoy every single bit, every vibe, and drop a comment. Let me know if there are some things that you know here that you've noted, or some of the buildings that are new that came up and you are not here. Drop a comment, let me know, okay? I always want us to get engaged so that I can also be able to know what you think. And for me to know your ideas, your opinion, your suggestions, you can always drop a comment down there, okay? We are here, and guys, I am in a journey to explore many places in Africa, so just don't hesitate to subscribe for me. Anyway, let's enjoy this beautiful view of Eldoret town that is soon becoming city. Thank you.